Hello everyone, I'm Robert. I'm a account manager from Neousys Technology. Today the topic is about deep learning machine vision. I would like to talk about how edge AI platforms utilize deep learning to improve machine vision applications. First of all, this is the agenda of today's topic. So I'm going to introduce Neousys simply and introduce the advantages of deep learning machine vision and how deep learning benefits machine vision. And later, I'm talking about challenges and what we can offer. At last, I'm going to share two success stories with you. About Neousys, we are a manufacturer of rugged embedded computer based in Taiwan with offices around globe. With over 20 years of experience in research and development, we have 10 plus patents to address industrial application challenges. And as an innovative company, we are a pioneer and a leader in industrial GPU computing. Here is our product range. Our main products is fanless rugged embedded computers, which can operate under wide temperature range from -25 to 70 degrees. Our product applications include in-vehicle computing, automation, surveillance, video analytics, GPU, and machine vision. Among these applications, I will be talking about how by utilize GPU computing and machine vision, we can create a powerful deep learning machine vision applications. So what are benefits of deep learning machine visions? The benefits will be the efficiency and the development times cost reduced, and also workers' involvement will be reduced. And it will increase in worker safety, productivity, and the accuracy rate. So what is deep learning and how it can benefit machine vision? It is no secret that deep learning technology is growing at immense rate and is our everyday lives. It is a powerful technology, and we are curious at how we can implement it into our benefits. Deep learning is the multi-layer neural network. There are some famous and classic models like CNN, the convolutional neural network, and RNN. CNN is the most common model of image processing. Unlike the traditional method, the CNN algorithm can learn and detect useful feature by itself. By feeding lots of data into neural network, it extracts features through millions convolutional computing and eventually acquires high-level features after training. Because of it, deep learning model lowers the difficulty of finding usable features, and most important, it raises accuracy on detecting defects and clarifying objects. This is why CNN is widely used in detecting defects or scratches on fabrics, large-scale LCD, and wafer. It was hard to find small defects in legacy image processing, but with deep learning machine vision, it is easy. Therefore, many software companies develop their own machine vision software based on deep learning such as the Cognex, VD, Hocken, and SureLab. So now we know why we need deep learning in machine vision. Let's talk about the procedure of deep learning. It can be broken into three steps. First, you have to collect and label data. For example, if you want to let CNN model to identify the car, you have to collect lots of car images and label it as car. And then you can feed lots of label data to train neural network. This step is called training. It is complicated to compute intensive. This step usually runs on server and even on the data center. So finally, you can use the trained model to make decisions. This is called inference. Because the inference process is not complicated, most applications such as machine vision, autonomous, and surveillance run inference tasks at the edge. Run on the edge will increase the response time and have better security for data. However, on the edge, it could encounter environmental challenges when implement the solution. The challenge will be like temperature, vibration, and power supply issue. So Neousys solutions thrive in harsh industrial environment And our Edge AI platform inherited a design that addresses some of the most common challenges in industrial applications. So first of all, when it comes to temperature, Neousys have patented an excellent and unique thermal design. The design ensures 100% CPU and GPU performance up at operating temperature up to 70 degrees Celsius without thermal throttling. The second part, when it comes to the shock and vibration, we also have patent design that utilize the damping bracket to absorb the shock and vibration when deployed in a vibrated environment. And last part is about the power supply. For most industrial environments, unstable power has always been a problem. Therefore, we design our system to accept a wide DC input range from 8 to 35 volt. This helps users to solve unstable power deliveries that may otherwise cause system to shut down. So to satisfy market demands, we have various deep learning machine vision platforms available. So from top to bottom, there are compact systems for confined space installations, powerful systems for compute-intensive tasks, and last is flagship systems for dual graphic cards installation to provide automated deep learning processing power. I believe you can find a Neousys solution that suits your needs. Now let's move on and see what Neousys has to offer. So first of all is the Nuvo 7166GC. It supports Intel 9th generation platform and the NVIDIA Tesla T4. It can leverage up to 8.1 teraflops computing power to run CNN model in its compact edge AI computer. Also, it supports integer operations to dramatically boost the performance. Unlike the NVIDIA GTX or RTX series, Tesla is specifically designed for AI application. It has longer longevity than consumer graphic cards. It also passed military standard certification for shock and vibration. Therefore, Nuvo 7166 is ideal for installation into confined spaces. And second is about Nuvo 8034. It features workstations grade Intel 246 chipset to support Intel Xeon and the 9th generation processor. This system has 2 by 16 PCIe, 2 by 4, 2 by 8 PCIe, and 3 PCI slots for flexible expansion and integrability. It supports image capture cards, motion card, and also LED control the cards. So this system also has 2.5 front accessible HDD or SSD trays. This will make it easier to install and maintain. If you are looking for a powerful and flexible deep learning machine vision platform, Nuvo 8034 is your perfect solution. In addition to above mentioned rugged embedded solution, we also have a machine vision specific system that takes advantage of deep learning technology to boost its AOI capabilities. It is our Neousys 7306RT, a highly integrated platform that contains everything for advanced machine vision. It includes LED controller, digital input and output, and a real-time I/O controller. Neousys 7306RT has built-in hardware real-time system called DTIO. It can precisely control machine vision I/O. The accuracy is in microseconds. It will help you to get high quality images in AOI application. Like other Edge AI platform, it also supports GPU cards up to 120 watt. As the successor to the winner of Vision System Design Award, Neousys 7306RT is one of a kind in the machine vision industry. Okay, so now it's time to share two of our many success stories that may be of interest to you. The first story is on 3D inference machine vision. 3D robotic machine vision is one of the most common pick-and-place robotic applications in smart factories. The GPU-added 3D inference machine vision can detect and accurately pick out complex geometric shapes regardless items positioning, especially when dealing with parts that have multiple geometries, reflective surface, or when working in low light conditions. 3D inference machine vision is much more capable when handling and operating in such applications. Neousys GPU-added Edge AI platform is utilized as central controller that overwatches bin picking software's 3D scanner and robotic arm. And for second story is also based on 3D inference machine vision, but is different in its application. As you can see in the video, the robotic arm automatically outline traces the shoe and applies glue. Obvious benefit being accurate line tracing with image outline being dissected into connected dots like imagery. More connected dots, nor more refined and accurate the images will be. Robotic machine vision is nothing new, but is one of the most commonly seen practice in heavy industries, with applications ranging from 3D inference machine vision can detect and pick out parts with various precision and shapes to outline tracing capabilities. Robotic machine vision offers safety, efficiency, and consistent quality. In addition to improved efficiency, 3D inference machine vision also offers flexibility for parts assembling, welding, tracing, and inspection tasks. The accurate robotic arm movement and positioning allowing for specific reviewing inspections angles during critical assembly. The use of the deep learning technology can be found in our everyday lives, which most of us take for granted. By applying the deep learning technology into machine vision, we are able to bring machine vision to another level closer to artificial intelligence. Thanks very much for your attention today. And for more information on Neousys machine vision platform, you may contact our UK local partner, Clearview Imaging. Thanks very much. I wish all of you have a great day. Thank you.